Welcome to Trip Rinjani. This is our jungle walk program, a one-day trip designed for anyone who wants to enjoy nature at a slower pace. In this experience, you'll walk through natural forest trails surrounded by tall trees, fresh air, and a calm atmosphere. It's not about climbing or reaching the summit. This is about taking time to explore the peaceful side of the mountain. You'll move at a comfortable pace with enough time to relax, observe, and enjoy the environment around you. Along the way, you'll hear the soft sounds of the forest, wind in the trees, birds calling, and leaves brushing with each step. This walk is ideal for travelers who prefer a quiet escape, families with children, or anyone who wants to reconnect with nature without the physical demands of a long hike. We've taken care of the essentials for you. A local guide will accompany your walk, and our team will prepare a simple and fresh lunch to enjoy during your trip. All you need to do is walk, take your time, and enjoy what nature offers. It's a complete one-day itinerary, carefully designed to fit your time, your comfort, and your curiosity. Jungle Walk is part of our effort to introduce more people to the beauty of Rinjani's forests beyond just its summit. If you're looking for a nature-based activity that is light, refreshing, and organized, this is a great option to consider. We welcome you to join us. Visit triprinjani.com to see the details or contact our team for more information. Thank you for watching, and we hope to walk with you soon.